I bask in the sound of the lute of solitude. I am the blue vast sky of infinitude, adorning the universe with shimmering light. I smile in the dance of celestial nymphs as the joy of loving engages my soul. I am the resonance of zephyrs, whispering to stars of perennial freedom. I am the peerless glamour of roses, not looking for faults in prickly thorns. I paint rainbows on the ascent of meadows, gleaming with lush candescent lights. I speak in bouquets and fragrant scents, serenading lovers with intimate secrets. I am the sun and its luster merging as one, speaking to all of the grandeur of life. I bathe in the joy of the soul's delight, bask in the sound of the lute of solitude. Lantern Carrier, thank you.